Presenting OnePlus Y Series 32-inch HD-ready LED Smart Android TV in the color black. This HD-ready Smart TV with the refresh rate of 60 Hz makes your viewing experience delightful. This TV lets you experience an immersive viewing with wide color gamut, dynamic contrast, anti-aliasing, and gamma picture engine. The maximum viewing distance of this OnePlus TV is 9 feet. Powered by Android 9 operating system, this smart TV works with OnePlus Connect, Google Assistant, Play Store, Chromecast, Shared Album, Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, Content Calendar, and Oxygen Play. The OnePlus TV features 2 USB ports for easy connectivity. The 20-watt audio output with Dolby Audio ensures clear sound. Inside the box, you will find one LED TV, 2 table stand base, 1 user manual, 1 warranty card, 1 remote control, 1 AC cord, and 2 AAA batteries. The TV comes with standard brand warranty. For EMI options, refer to product detail page. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10 days return or replacement policy for damaged or defective product. You can schedule the delivery per your convenience. Prime members get free delivery. Amazon will coordinate with brand for installation within 48 hours of delivery.